Welcome to Singha Park, an 8,000-acre park located in the heart of Chiang Rai, Thailand. This destination is a must-visit for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and anyone just looking for a peaceful retreat from the city. Come with us as we explore Singha Park by e-bike. There are a few different ways you can explore Singha Park. Hop on a shuttle bus, rent a golf cart, an e-bike, or a bicycle. And of course you could always opt to walk, but we found the park is so large you definitely want to have some wheels. After a few minutes of warming up to your e-bike, you'll be ready for some speed. There are many places to visit throughout the park. Our first stop was Swan Lake. Fields of flowers await you on your journey through the park. Take a break at a cafe if you like, but we really just didn't want to get off our bikes. The ride is smooth as you wind your way around the many lakes, gardens, fruit trees, and the beautiful tea plantation on the property. Once you get deep into the park, you'll come across a petting zoo and farm. The animals looked happy and well taken care of, and it was a nice spot to hop off the bike for a little bit. If you'd like to get up close and personal with a zebra and a giraffe, this is the place to do it. You can even buy some food and play tug of war with the zebra as they yank it from your hands. A little taste of freedom. You can even have an ATV and ziplining experience here in the park. We spent 2 hours on our e-bikes, but it still just didn't seem enough. Sadly, we had to head back as our time was almost up. Even though we visited Singha Park in the midday heat, the breeze on the bikes really kept us cool enough to enjoy it for 2 hours, and we wanted more. We took a stroll through the shop, showcasing many products produced right there on the farm. And of course, no day in Thailand is complete until you've had a nice, cool treat. We definitely recommend putting this on your list of things to do if you visit Chiang Rai. Our kids are still asking if we can go back and do it again.